Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Sometimes when you're looking at something that happened in your life, when you were a child, you feel like, oh, I don't want to be like anybody that I'm seeing here. This just happened to me a couple days ago, so I wanted to share a little personal story. I had been trying to get something done for about 3 months. Something to enhance the quality of my life that would just take 10 minutes. And I found myself in this whiny condition, like I wanted to say to my boyfriend, I need you to help me set this up. It's a machine, really simple to set up. I need you to help me set it up. I need some help here. I don't think I can do it myself. Don't you understand? I really need your help. That's how I was feeling, which I wasn't really directly saying to him. I was just feeling it, living with it. So as I did TAT about it, I noticed myself as a little kid related to my dad. My dad would be sitting there for hours at his little table, playing solitaire, having a mixed drink, and not saying anything much to anybody, just for hours playing solitaire, or sitting at the dining room table, reading the paper, drinking a cup of coffee, and in the earlier days, smoking a cigarette. And it was like really frustrating, like he was there, but not there. So I was in this condition then, like, I need some help. There were things I really couldn't do then because I was really little. I need some help, and I need some love and attention and contact. So then meanwhile, as the adult that I am now, and as the child too, there were these thoughts like, whip yourself into shape. Get this job done. You can do it. Just whip yourself into shape. Stop whining. So I didn't like any of those conditions. So what I did was, there's part of the TAT process where you choose what you want. So I chose that my heart feels really connected with people, and I feel really supported. And that's basically what I chose. And of course did the rest of the steps of TAT, and all that stuff cleared up. And that very night, which was just a couple days ago, actually it was yesterday, I set up that machine all by myself, used it, and felt fine. And it just felt like nothing. Plus, right when I was done with the process, I was doing it in a small group, my heart was in a totally different condition. I could just feel everybody instantly looking at him. My heart just felt like so big, warm, and inclusive. And everything, each person I put my attention on was feeling, just was with me, touching, like permeating my heart. And it was so nice. So I just want to give you that idea that sometimes you're looking at a situation going, I don't want to be me. I don't want to be like my parent. I don't want to be what my parent has said to me. I don't want any of this. You can just make a full-on new choice for what you want and have a full-on felt new experience immediately. So there you go. I hope this helps you out. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.